And now we will move to the selecting the cells. We can do the formatting, copy, paste, and some other functions. For that we need to first select the cell, particular cell or the range of cell. So we have two options. One is mouse and second is keyboard. I would suggest you to use keyboard for doing the work in the spreadsheet or in the computers. Do not select the mouse. It will decrease your speed. So whenever you do any data entry or any editing, so you need to select the shortcut keys and the keyboard options for doing the work fast. So let us begin to selecting the cells. The first shortcut key is to Control plus Home. So you will move to the A1 cell whenever you press Control plus Home in the keyboard. Now you can easily select any data. You can, for selecting the cells or any range, press Shift from the keyboard and press right, down, up. Now I would like to select the header. So press Shift and press right arrow key one time, the second time and the third time. So it will select the 4 cells from the right side. And now you can do the formatting. You want to make it bold, so click over here on the tool menu or the shortcut key is Control B. It is similar to the other softwares in Microsoft softwares like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So you can make the bold. You can also do the italic and you can do the alignment by center, left, center or the right side. So I would like to make it center. Now I want to make the center of this column A. Now press left arrow key, so it would be on the A1 cell only. Now press Shift, Control and down arrow key. It will select the complete row of the data up to the last cell, but make sure there is no blank cell, otherwise it will stop there. And then again to press Shift, Control, down arrow key, and now select the center using the mouse and the data would be in center. Similar way you can do with the date of birth. Press up arrow key, you will be on the first cell of the table. Now press right arrow key 2 times, 1 and 2, and this time I will select Shift, Control, down arrow key, and this time we will select the shortcut key. Now again I would align to the center. Press Control plus Home to come here. If you want to select the complete table, you have a shortcut key for Control A. It will select the complete table. Again if you press Control A, it will select the complete sheets data. So I would like to select this cell on select this table, so I will press Control A. We have another shortcut key. Press Shift, Control, right arrow key, then down arrow key. It will also select the complete table. And if you want to go to the last cell of the table, press Control and you will come to the last cell of the sheet. Now Control Home to the first cell. And now if you want to go to the last cell of the table, press Control and then Control down. You will come to the last cell of the table. I am attaching the list of shortcut keys for moving the data from the table in the Google Sheets. It is also applicable in the Excel spreadsheet. You will also find the list of shortcut keys for selecting the table. You can do the practice and use the keyboard as much as possible.